If you've been looking for how to use Survey View in Lightroom, there's one very important thing to know right away. Survey View is not available in Adobe Lightroom. It only exists in Lightroom Classic. So if you opened Lightroom and couldn't find it, you're not doing anything wrong. You just need to be in the Classic version. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enter Survey View in Lightroom Classic, how to use it, and the best shortcuts to make it faster. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the Library module. Survey View is used for comparing multiple photos at once, so you'll need to select more than one image. You can do that by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac and clicking each photo you want, or by holding Shift to select a range of photos. Once you've selected the images, press N on your keyboard. That opens Survey View immediately. Now you'll see all of the selected photos displayed together on one screen, which makes it much easier to compare them side by side. This is especially useful when you're choosing the best shot from a burst, comparing portraits, or deciding which photo has the strongest expression, composition, or sharpness. While you're in Survey View, you can quickly remove photos you don't want by selecting the image and pressing it. That drops the unwanted photo from the group, helping you narrow things down until only the best images remain. It's a fast way to cull your edits without switching back and forth between single photo views. If you want even more space on the screen, press Tab to hide the side panels and give your photos a larger viewing area. And if you want the cleanest possible workspace, press Shift plus Tab to hide every panel and maximize the image display. That's perfect when you want to focus only on the photos and nothing else. You can also click on any photo in Survey View to make it the active image, which is helpful when you want to inspect details more closely or prepare one image for editing. Once you've finished comparing and removing images, you can move on with the strongest selection already organized. So the simple workflow is, go to Library, select multiple photos, press N, compare them in Survey View, press X to remove the weak shots, and use the shortcuts to keep your workspace clean. Survey View is one of the best tools in Lightroom Classic for speeding up photo selection, especially when you're working through a big shoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.